Hello everyone, I'm your host Denise Forbes and welcome to the series Unlocking Healthcare in 60 Seconds. Today we shall be looking into the most important chronic disease management. Chronic disease management is becoming a central focus in healthcare. Personalised care plans where we're tailoring treatments to individual patient needs and preferences. Remote monitoring using technology to track symptoms and adjust treatments from home. Patient education. We're empowering individuals with knowledge to manage their conditions effectively. And lifestyle interventions where we're focusing on diet, exercise and stress management alongside medical treatments. We have multidisciplinary teams that involves various healthcare professionals for comprehensive care. This embodies the holistic nature of healthcare, addressing physical, mental and social aspects of well-being. It supports preventative measures, balanced lifestyle choices and long-term health maintenance. Chronic disease management is about equipping individuals with tools and knowledge to take charge of their health, fostering resilience and promoting quality of life. Remember, true healthcare is proactive, not just reactive. Embrace this comprehensive approach to manage chronic conditions effectively and thrive, not just survive.